As I was talking in the first video, we're going to drag the field here in this work field. Now let's try for the card code and card name of the customer. So let's put it right here, the card code and card name of the customer. And now we should label them first. Here, here. It depends on how we're going to design the form. Card code. Card code. Oops. Card name. Now let's see if we click the preview part. The card code is CDS 101129, which is the same in the, I think, in the sales order here, the first record. See, CDS 101129, and it's Miss Madeline. So her stored procedure is correct. Then let's try for the detail part, which includes this, the item, and of course the description, which is located in this part, where you can see that for 611-N-LP, the description of the product is 32 cm serving latter winter frost white. Now let's see in our crystal report if we can integrate that in here. First, the item code here, and make it smaller. Then next is the description, this, and of course we should format the field because the description is kind of long, so just put can grow, so it will expand automatically. Then for the quantity that she ordered, should put it right here. And of course, for the price, should get the price. This is the price. Put the price here because I think it's kind of long. And if we can see, the item code is 611-N-LP, which we have seen in the sales order of the SAP. And in the item mastery data, the 32 centimeters ring platter winter frost white, the quantity is 2 and the price is this. Now let's see. Quantity 2 and price 1026.79. Same as this. Now to get the line total of this, which is located here, total LC. This total LC is located the line cost or line total. Can put it right away here. As you can see, 2053.58, 2053.58. So now it produces the same because we made a right stored procedure for this. And now I'm gonna show you some other examples that I made in my OJT days. The start page and the sales report. Um, this is the first report that I made for Fast Track. They use this report to hire. When they were hiring senior technical consultant, and I'm proud to say that I actually did it. I actually succeeded in doing this. Now let's see what the problem is. Hopefully it's still in my downloads. Hopefully I can locate the Excel file that we used. We conducted the test. Hmm. Desktop for IS look for the folder of Fast Track Solutions. And I think it's where can I look reports? No, I actually made two reports for that. Sorry, I can't locate the other file. So I'll just explain it to you further. Mhm. This is the sales report that I made. This is an example of cross-tab report. Cross-tab report. Um, that's all. If you can see, it's just like this. Because in the cross-tab, you're just going to drag sort things out. I really can't remember how I did this, but I did. So let's try to view other dates like that. Maybe not. By the way, thank you for listening. Hopefully you'll learn something. Have a nice day.